Welcome back, everybody. I'm super pumped up today, even more pumped up than usual. I know I say that all the time. Our friends Stefan and Allison are coming over, and we're gonna make fajitas. First things first, look at this. I haven't even cooked on it yet. The brand new Blackstone Bronco 36-inch griddle smoker combo. Look at this thing. I'm actually gonna cook a ton of ribs this week. It has two massive racks in here, a 60-pound pallet hopper. It's insane. And a 36-inch omnivore griddle plate. First things first, we have our deer steaks. Colorado mule deer. This is from my big old trophy buck and the boys' does that we got last year in November. Took them out of the freezer. We trimmed them up into fajita strips, mixed them up with Blackstone's brand new Mexican-inspired chili herb sauce, a little bit of avocado oil, and garlic. Used the VacMaster VP 195 to seal them up. I've actually never done it before. I'm told the benefit of using a chamber sealer to marinate your food is that you can do it in quick order, in quick amount of time, because it sucks all the oxygen out. It opens up the pores of the meat, allows all the marinade, all the oils and everything to get in there, and that's why pros will often marinate with a chamber sealer. Don't have to do it overnight, or don't have to do it for 6 hours in the fridge. So that is the steak right there. Right here we have chicken. We've been ordering our chicken for the past 9 months or so from a mail order place called Good Ranchers. I have no connection with them, but we like their chicken. And the same thing, we sealed it up probably about an hour and a half ago. Meat is ready to go. Stefan and Allison, so they're our friends, known them for quite a while, and they're amazing hunters. I always push their channel when I'm talking. They have catch in dinner, dinner, and they just put another successful Colorado turkey hunt, a Colorado turkey hunt up on YouTube, so you gotta watch them. First things first, avocado oil. You know I love that avocado oil, and I like to start out with a well-oiled griddle top. I'm currently on high heat. Check this out, by the way. This new one has this cool slimline ignition button, and the battery is actually hidden inside the hopper. Deer steaks, here we go. This is what it's all about, and this is why it's extra exciting to have Stefan and Allison here, because they're hunters, and that's the main reason why we hunt right there. All right, we'll get that mixed out. Beautiful looking deer steak. A little bit more oil if I need it, and the chicken. In it to win it. Oh my goodness, look at that sizzle. You know, fajitas is one of those things, if you don't order them at a restaurant, you always wish you ordered them, right? You could order tacos, burritos. I know for a fact that I've been at a restaurant with Stefan a few times where I got tacos and he ordered shrimp fajitas.
Fajitas.
And they come walking out with that platter of fajitas, and I wish I'd order them every time. So fajitas, always a showstopper. Always a showstopper with fajitas. All right, look at that. Instant sear. We'll try to keep the chicken and the steak separated. We'll scoot everything down here to the side. A little bit more oil. The veggies, which just happens to be a bunch of beautiful bell peppers and onions. A little bit of tequila lime, any kind of Tex-Mex seasoning on the veggies. I'm thinking steak looks good, chicken looks good. We'll just pull the chicken off the griddle top. And the venison steak, look at that. I might have to allow Stefan to get a sneak bite of that.
What we got?
First bite, first try. Wow. Look at that. Fajitas right there. That's why everyone, go ahead, get in there. Allison, get in there. Veggies are looking good. I think we'll pull those really quick. Gonna go with the raw, uncooked tortillas. I like all kinds of tortillas. It's nice to do these raw types though. I use a little bit of oil. These are flour, use a little bit of oil. Don't want to get these crispy, but I like to use a little bit of oil. Whatever seasoning is left on the griddle top, just kind of flavors up these tortillas. We'll do a little bit on each side. Just get them bubbling up a little bit, give them a flip. That's what we want. Look at that. Beautiful. When you go to one of those nice southwestern taquerias, that's what you get, that gorge. You can see the difference. Look at a raw tortilla. Man! Throw these in a tortilla warmer. If you don't have one, boy, I highly recommend it. Big difference maker. They basically steam in here, and you can open this thing 20 minutes later, your tortillas are still warm. Big difference maker to use a tortilla warmer. Time to eat, amazing fajitas. Wanted to bring that to you. Super excited. Also, my VacMaster code is Todd, Toven, Toddtovn. 20% off anything at VacMasterFresh.com. Catch me on the road with the Griddle More Tour. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass the fajitas.